It's your boy Johnny by the Grub Adventures and More. We're here with Bay cooking some steak and what else? Alfredo? Yes, and Alfredo. So Bay got me this a while ago and I'm just now using it. So yes, I'm super stoked. Let's get to it. I got you.
Welcome to the Great Show.
What? Welcome to Johnny Find the Grub, where we bring you great travels, great adventures, great cooking with family and friends. What more could you ask for?
And welcome to the Great Show.
Oh, and then what else do we say?
Let's go!
What is going on, ladies and gentlemen, boys and girls? It's your boy Johnny Find the Grub, and we are making steaks with Bay. And we are here in the kitchen. There I go with my fumbling my words again. We're here in the kitchen, whipping up some fine ribeyes, steaks here. One of my favorite things to cook. Probably eat steaks a little too much. So I may or may not film any more steak videos. It depends, because I love a good tomahawk steak. And so I might have to bust out one of those. But we got Bay being the sous chef, even though she really is the actual chef most of the time. So I'll give credit when credit is due. Just don't let her know I told you that. But yeah, she's cranking these up. Man, she's doing this motion like she's been here before. Man, oh man. You even changed up the your hand placement. Getting me a little excited here watching this. I'm not even hungry anymore. Oh man, yeah. You go ahead, you crank that up, Booski. Man, let me take a second to sip on my Hey, watch this. And we are back, ladies and gentlemen. So another thing that I got was this nice pork belly right here on the skewer. Guy at the grocery store actually was buying one, and he said, yeah, I like to grill mine. And I was like, what? I love pork belly, and I've never gotten one before. So I was like, let me buy one of these and try it out. Have Bay season it up, because she usually seasons, well, she always seasons, and it always turns out really good. And there she goes with that motion again. Oh my gosh. Good thing I am behind this microphone and not standing up in public anywhere, because I'll be poking out a lot of your guys' girlfriends or wives' eyeballs right now. Wink, wink. What is that? Oh boy. This is going to be entertaining. The chef? I can tell you that much already. I love you. Hurry up.
I'm gonna break it.
What are you gonna break it for?
I'm gonna
Just eat it, babe.
Wow.
How come you're gonna break it?
I'm gonna throw it all the way. I'm gonna throw it outside.
Why?
Go.
I love you.
There's Grace and me and my little sour
I love you.
I don't want you.
And here we go. Out walking the steaks out.
Grayson, I love you. Oh man, I'm so out of focus here. Hold on. Hold on. Wait. Don't touch it. I don't want you to spill it. Why do you always do that?
I'm tasting the salt.
Why do you always do that?
Because I love the salt.
Alright, open the door for Dad.
Okay. What? These.
I love you.
Yo, you.
Don't mind my
You get
messy bat cave. We were
Open it?
adding
No,
one to
no,
our
it's hot.
patio
Be careful.
deck, so that's why we have tools and everything out there. It's your boy Johnny Father Grub here. Ready to cook these ribeyes. These are my favorite things to cook. I got my neighbor here, Tim. I'm gonna give Tim a shout out. This is, don't be sorry, you're getting a shout out. This is my big brother from another mother. It's my boy, Heno, right here. Don't let the puppies get it. Throw it in the pool now. Go, throw it in the pool. So the puppies don't get it, because the puppies will get that. Alright, put it inside then. So we're about to grill out.
Showing everyday life stuff. I like that.
Oh, dude, I know, I love it. It took a while for Brittany to get used to it. But once she sees, because that's all Grayson watches. He watches other people play with toys. And when I take a shit, I watch other people eat. And she does too. Like, we watch the Food Channel. So I was like, why not? Why can't I do that? We travel and we eat out almost every day. So it's like, why not? You know? It's beautiful. And it's not like I'm quitting my day job to do it. So, I never cooked pork belly.
Bacon, isn't it?
I don't know.
Pork belly's bacon.
It could be.
You're gonna have some good beef there.
So we got ribeyes here.
Oh, yeah.
And then, I've always wanted to try cook pork belly, because I love pork belly. I've just never cooked it. So the guy that was in front of me was like, oh, I cook mine on the grill. So that's the only reason why I thought about even cooking it, because of him.
I would think it'd be like really thick bacon. Does it kind of look like bacon?
So
No,
pork belly,
well-
like bacon, starts out from the underside of the belly of the pig. But don't think of the word belly as in stomach. Rather, it's the flesh that runs underneath the underside of the pig. Pork belly is uncured, unsmoked, and unsliced bacon. So yeah, my neighbor was fairly right, like always. And listen to that sizzle. I can't wait to get a microphone and have that just sizzling sound that's up close and personal, right? Gosh darn face. That sounds so good that I can smell it. While that's cooking up, let me take a short break while I sip on my Cavassier. Welcome back, ladies and gentlemen, and there it is. Let me get my focus on this steak. These ribeyes turned out wunderbar. Oh my gosh, look at all that juice coming out of that steak. We're gonna let these steaks rest for a momentarily. I like my steak, like I said before in previous videos, mooing. Moo. So yeah, you see a steak of mine, that son of a gun's gonna be mooing. Good close up on the steaks. We let it rest. Check out some of the Alfredo. Good thing we didn't make a crap ton of it, because it usually gets wasted, or I'm the only one eating the leftovers on some freaking ramen noodles, which is freaking fire, dude. And man, this corn dip that Bae made was so unbelievable. I think she said it was like sour cream, butter. I don't even really like corn like that, but this was, oh, I smashed this. Thumbs up from your boy. You did a great job on this one, Bae. You eat this with some chips. Oh man, you know what? I'm gonna ask her if she can make this for me like tomorrow, because that's how good this dip was. I couldn't stop eating it. I mean, I'm pretty sure I was the only one that ate it. Well, they ate a little bit, but I murdered it. Got the scoops chips. You gotta have the scoops. You know what I'm saying? That's the only way to live life. It's a life hack within itself. So yeah, you see, had to been good. My camera just like really focused on this dip. I should have turned on the sound or kept the sound for this so you can hear that crunch. And there we have it, ladies and gentlemen, the presentation, the main event. Steak, pork belly, and Alfredo. And boy, oh boy, ladies and gents, boys and girls, was this fire. Like Millie Rock would say, bussin', bussin'. Oh, Millie Rock was so mad when I posted this on my Snapchat. She was like, how dare you make this steak without me? But you know what, Millie Rock? I got you, girlfriend. Don't even trip. So part 2 coming up next of me eating it. It's your boy Johnny Fighter Grub, and I'm out. Peace. Enjoy. Make sure you guys like, comment, and subscribe. Yes, sir.